Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2004 Maserati MC12. This casting is by Matchbox and it's new for 2025. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Maserati out of its box. And first thing you will notice is this white and blue paint job. And was very famous for the MC12. It looks really good here too. And this is a mainline Matchbox, and even then it has got some really nice details. So let's look at them. Let's start from the front. Up front you've got detailed headlamp, you got a grille with Maserati badge, then you also got a Maserati badge on the bumper here from front. You see this design, the grills, the vents, they look nice too. You got a single windshield wiper, it's kind of a cockpit, and white blue continues, looks really good. Coming to the driver's side, if you see again, I don't know if a lot of people know this or not, but MC12 was based on an Enzo, and Enzo was already kind of a very crazy fast car. So wheels we have seen on a lot of different Matchbox, but here they have like a satin finish, which looks really good here, rather than having like a true chrome. Also, if you see, it's a mid-engine car, and if you see here, the way the body is designed is to push more air in, and that I think the doors. I don't know if the doors opened up or how did that. But if you look at this, it's such an aerodynamic vehicle, like the way it's designed. Especially if you look from the top, look at this shape. Really cool. Also, here you can look at the fuel filler. Obviously, it's a hyper sports car, so 2 doors. Look at this windshield, how curved it is. Let's come to the back. The back, you can see this big, huge spoiler. But again, you've got good details. You've got tail lamps, you've got exhaust pipe, rear grille, diffusers, and stop lamp, Maserati logo. So almost everything is detailed in the back, which is great for a mainline. It's not a premium, it's not a moving parts, and it still has got such great details. Passenger side looks almost identical. The only thing it misses out on is the fuel filler cap, which is on the other side. Now let's look at the top. So on the top you can see the interior is done in blue, and you can see this. I don't know what it's really called. It's an air intake kind of sucks here, and you can also see the engine there. There's a engine in there. So I wish Maserati Matchbox does they do a moving part. It will look really cool with opening, hood and everything. But yeah, if you keep a look at the shape, it's such a aerodynamic. It's an old car. It's not a new. It's almost 21 years old car, and it still looks so nice. And this is how it looks from the bottom. So overall, should you get it? Hell yeah. You don't really get these crazy Maseratis all the time, so get it. It will be a nice addition to the collection and it will look really, really good. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.